How are you all? Hope everybody are fine and safe. Children, in the previous video, we have started to learn English. That also lesson number 1, Christopher lesson. We have completed lesson, handwords, meanings and grammar also. Grammar part which is having in your term book also we have completed. And we have started question and answers from 2 videos. Did we start? Yes, we have started. And children, did you buy your books? Did you buy your books? Okay. After buying your books, you have to write in your notebooks. You have to write in your notebooks. How means once again I'll repeat, see. Once again I'll repeat, see. See children, this is your notebook. Is it? Open like this, index page you leave. And next one more page you have to leave. One more page you have to leave. And here you have to start in the red line. You have to write like this, Christopher. Lesson number 1, Christopher. You have to write like this. And don't write meanings, hard words. Okay, you just write question and answers. In the previous video, as I have showed you, first question, second question and third question. 3 questions I had showed you, know. You just pair 3 question and answers. Just pair 3 question and answers. And now you have to write 4th question. Now you have to write 4th question. And tomorrow, 7th, from 7th of October, you have to submit your notebooks in the school. All the teachers will be available in the school for correcting your notebooks from 9:30 to 12:30. Remember this and start writing your notebooks. Okay, is it clear for you? And still now we have not started to write in our notebooks, no? From now at least you try to start to write your notebooks and pair first one, second one and third one question and answers. Now I have started 4th question. I have started 4th question, see. Maybe you have forget how to write it in cursive writing. That's why just for remembering you, I have written. First, W. Remember this? These 3 you have to write in a same line. Adi kuda capital letter kabatti paike rayali. And ivi rendu kuda kindaku undali. And remember, you have to touch remaining letters into 2 lines. 2 lines ki touch avali compulsory. Remember this also. And you have to keep question mark for the question. After completing question, you have to keep full stop for the answer. After completing answer, you have to keep full stop. Is it clear for you? And one more thing. After completing question and answer both, what you have to do? You have to leave one line. Is it clear? And let us go for 4th question. Let us go for a 4th question. What is the 4th question? What did the child want a pharaoh to do for him? Repeat with me once again. What did the child want a pharaoh to do for him? Means what did the child wanted to do a pharaoh for him? చిన్న బాబు వచ్చినట్టు స్టోరీలో నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. What did the boy do? What did the boy do? He came to Pharaoh. And what did the boy ask to Pharaoh? The boy asked Pharaoh to cross the river in the heavy storm. అంటే బాగా గాలి వాన వరద పొంగుతున్నప్పుడు క్రాస్ చేయాలని చెప్పి అడిగాడు కదా. That only you have to write the answer. Let us start the answer. The child want Pharaoh to cross the river in the heavy terrible storm. In the heavy terrible storm. Is it clear? Once again, the child want Pharaoh to cross the river in the heavy terrible storm. Haga heavy ga unna gali vaana ఈదురుగాలు అంటారు కదా, ఆ టైప్లో ఉన్న గాలి వానలో క్రాస్ చేయమని చెప్పి అడిగాడు. ఎవరు అడిగింది? లిటిల్ బాయ్. టు హూమ్ ద లిటిల్ బాయ్ ఆస్క్డ్? The little boy asked Pharaoh. Okay, repeat with me answer. The child want Pharaoh to cross the river in the heavy terrible storm. Once again, the child want Pharaoh to cross the river in the heavy, terrible storm. Is it clear? Okay, let us learn next question. Let us learn next question. Okay, what is our next question? Fifth question is our next question, and after completing fourth question, remember to leave one line. Is it? Okay. Fifth question. Why did Pharaoh want the child to come into the hut? After hearing the voice of the child, Pharaoh come out from the hut in the story, and Pharaoh asked the boy why did he came, and Pharaoh asked the little boy to come into the hut. Why did he ask Pharaoh? Because he was shivering for the cold. That only answer. See, let us go for answer. Before going for answer, repeat with me once the question. Why did Pharaoh want the child to come into the hut? Come into the hut. Cool. Answer. Repeat with me once. Wait, I'll just explain. Pharaoh want the child to come into the hut because the little boy was shivering in the cold. The little boy was shivering in the cold. చలికి వణుకుంటూ నుంచున్నాడు కాబట్టి ఆ లిటిల్ బాయ్ని చూసి ఫెరో లోపలికి రమ్మని చెప్పి అడిగాడు. Is it clear for you? Okay. Repeat with me answer. Pharaoh want the child to come into the hut because the little boy was shivering in the cold. Once again repeat with me. Pharaoh want the child to come into the hut because the little boy was shivering in the cold. Is it clear? And today's your homework. Today's your homework. Is it clear? Complete your notebook and read question number 4 and 5. Sorry, 4 and 5 question and answers. Complete your notebook and read 4 and 5 question and answers. Okay children, before closing this video, I wanted to inform you one thing. Did you buy your books? Okay, if you brought, you are having cursor writing books in your books now? Yes, you are having English cursor writing also. Okay, from today onwards, start writing English cursor writing. Per day half page, and weekly once on Saturday you have to WhatsApp to me what you have written in that week. To my personal number you have to WhatsApp for me what you have written. Is it clear? Once again shall I repeat? Cursor writings, English cursor writing తీసి ప్రతిరోజు హాఫ్ పేజ్ ఫుల్ పేజ్ కదా హాఫ్ పేజ్ రాసి వీక్లీ వన్స్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను సాటర్డే సబ్మిట్ చేయమని అడుగుతున్నా. సాటర్డే నాకు ఫోటో తీసి నా నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. మేము మీకు ఏం మిస్టేక్ ఉందనేది రిటర్న్ పెడతాం. Is it clear for you? Okay children, be safe at home children. Bye.